Hey guys, ever wondered if a single monitor could revolutionize both your gaming and work setup? Let's dive into the KTC 27-inch QHD monitor and see if it lives up to the hype. But before we get into the specs, let's unbox this beauty and see what we're working with. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the well-protected 27-inch monitor itself, securely packed to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Beneath the monitor, you'll find a sturdy base designed to keep your screen stable. There's also a power adapter and a signal cable for connectivity. Included is a quick start guide to get you set up quickly and a warranty card that gives you peace of mind with a 3-year guarantee. Everything you need is right here. So here is our monitor. This isn't just any monitor. With a stunning 27 QHD display and a 100Hz refresh rate, the KTC monitor brings every detail to life. Imagine the clarity of an IPS panel coupled with 123% sRGB coverage. Colors are not just accurate, they're vivid and true to life. And if you're a gamer, you're in for a treat. The monitor supports both FreeSync and G-Sync, ensuring a fluid experience with no screen tearing. Add a HDR support into the mix, and your games will look richer and more dynamic than ever. To put this to the test, we connected an Xbox and fired up Call of Duty. The result? Smooth, lag-free gameplay with stunning visuals. Every shot, every explosion, every detail was crisp and clear, making the gaming experience truly immersive. But it's not just about the visuals. Prolonged screen time can be taxing on the eyes, right? The KTC monitor's anti-blue light technology is a game-changer, reducing eye strain whether you're deep into a gaming marathon or working late hours. Plus, anti-flicker and anti-glare features mean less strain and more comfort. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're hooking up your PC, £5, Xbox, or even a laptop, the HDMI 2.0 and DP 1.4 ports have got you covered. Switching between work and play is seamless and hassle-free. For different tasks, the KTC monitor includes built-in preset modes tailored for various scenarios, enhancing your viewing experience whether you're working, watching movies, or gaming. And here's the cherry on top. KTC stands by their product with a 3-year warranty, showing their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. So, if you're looking for a monitor that excels in both professional and gaming environments, the KTC 27-inch QHD monitor is worth a serious look. It combines stunning visuals, enhanced gaming performance, and eye-friendly features into one sleek package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
I do so